Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. 80.91% overall voter turnout in Gambar by-poll today. Former Mauhati MDC James Siliang joins UDP with supporters. "21 villages of Maushandrat area protest delimitation change, march to KHADC. Cherry Blossom Festival to feature MMA cage fight. And Maukarwat MLA urge farmers to focus on high-price products. And now for the news in detail. The Gambar constituency saw a significant voter turnout today as residents cast their votes in the by-election triggered by former MLA Sangma's recent Lok Sabha victory. Voting began at 7 a.m. Among the 6 candidates vying for victory are Dr. Metab Chandi A. Sangma from NPP, Sandhya Rani M. Sangma, the incumbent MDC from TMC, Jijang Marak from the Congress Party, Bernard Marak from BJP, as well as independent candidates Senkra Berth Marak and Jerry Sangma. The State Election Department has identified 31 out of the 51 polling stations as critical. The voting percentage till 4 p.m. is recorded as 80.91%. In a significant political development, former MDC of Mauhati constituency, James Siliang, along with hundreds of supporters, joined the United Democratic Party yesterday at Siliang, Umdo in Mauhati Riphoi district. Siliang, a well-known figure in the Mauhati region, was warmly welcomed into the UDP by Titos Khan, the working president of the state UDP. The state UDP also indicated that an official announcement regarding his candidacy will be made soon.
Tren ya ke bakit. Natiap dalam tani ini perlok cungi nak pres lak thai kubur tin sabun ki ban komen. Itu ki beri ki dom dan kam dan jam ki dan kam ki bun kam tang ban komen. Ban benyi ki nong elam. Ban peniap niai ke jing shisha. Takadao pi ki samla. Nakarpa di ki samla jong ni kathai. Pek ya ke jing shisha. Dalili nginum yalam baklai. Nginum yalam baklai. Ihap yalam hak lenti kepada.
Residents from 21 villages in the Maushandrat area of West Khasi Hills, joined by members of various pressure groups, took the streets in protest today. They marched from the Umshapi Bridge to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council to voice their discontent over the recent tagging of their villages with the Rambrai Jirngam constituency. Jeremiah Dakar, chairman of the Joint Action Committee, led the protest inside the KHADC premises to amplify the grievances. The group also submitted a formal memorandum to KHADC Deputy Chief Executive Member PN Saim. The Cherry Blossom Festival this year will for the first time witness mixed martial arts cage fight. The event, named the Meghalaya Cage Fight at the festival in the Riphoi, will see fighters from Meghalaya, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Maharashtra, and international fighters from Afghanistan and Russia. During a press conference, Isaiah Karmoplang, one of the founding members of the Happy Red Rooster MMA, encouraged all, especially the children, to take up MMA as it provides the skills and the required discipline.
Having MMA is because we have, we like to take this opportunity also to thank Basan for taking this initiative of conducting MMA in Cherry Blossom. And I think this is the first time that Cherry Blossom will experience an MMA event. And I believe that MMA being the fastest growing sport in the world, and at the same time, it is a sport which is very popular among the youth. We believe that it will draw a lot of attention, a lot of crowds, because the thing is, there's something about competition that people want to watch.
The Office of the District Horticulture Officer, Southwest Khasi Hills District, yesterday organized a district-level crop competition and horticulture exhibition at the premises of the District Horticulture Office, led Lau Sang, speaking as the chief guest. Maukarwat MLA Renington L. Tongkhar emphasized that the district climate is perfect for cultivating high-priced products such as mushroom and kiwi fruit, urging a rise in growers to enhance production for distribution across the state and the country. At the exhibition, a total of 10 stalls were set up by 150 farmers from various parts of the district.
Next today,
Bakalong kababha, bagrat ikijigrat nontak competition kumner kapang kababha, bagi darat tangkan dia pengi ai pha ngai dia le pha la kalong magbam melade le kalong banlet bang ai banlet di hayo mo kabab kalong kababiang pha bagrat kamtam yang kita organic farming ya kabal dingila banlet ikum kita kalong kapasutan hado kata-kata banlet ngila sisa ban certify ban pen iko chai ba umui ude ujung thong uba klam ai rawai.
The Confederation of Riboy People, Corp, has expressed great happiness over the arrival of the Cherry Blossom Festival at Bhoi Rimbong, highlighting the numerous benefits it brings to the local youth, residents and even outside vendors who set up stalls in the area. Bandari Rintatyang, president of Corp, praised the government and acknowledged the presence of Khasi youth who have successfully organized this significant event, bringing in renowned international artists. However, he urged the government to consider reducing the tickets prices for local residents to make the festival more accessible. On the occasion of National Children's Day, which will be celebrated tomorrow, the Department of Social Welfare observed the day today with the theme Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao at the District Library Auditorium in Jowai. The celebration was organized by the District Hub Empowerment of Women in collaboration with the District School Education Officer, West Jaintia Hills District, under the theme, The Children of Today Will Shape the India of Tomorrow. Addressing the gathering, Jowai MLA Wailat Miki Shilla encouraged the children to start identifying their strengths and potential from a young age so they can pave their own path to success.
I'd like to urge you all, this is high time. This is high time for you. Because now you are in that stage, in that critical and sensitive stage. You are like that iron which is very hot, and we can mold, or you can mold yourself to whatever you like.
The Office of the District Sports Officer Nong Stoin in West Khasi Hills District today honoured all the youths from the district who brought recognition to the district by participating in the recently concluded state-level youth exchange program held in Shillong. The felicitation ceremony was held in the premises of the Deputy Commissioner's residence in Nong Stoin, attended by DC Garrett L.S.N. Dykes, B's Aim DSO and other dignitaries. Two youths from the district of Banrap Lang Wanyang and Job Silen Kar Dosau were selected to represent the country at the international level.
Ibadan bok adu kata-kata banton kadai distrik. Distrik kadai ke Bruspa. Bruspa hati liang barok. Nak liang jong ke saudong sapun kach ke bangilai ilong ke internet. Patung juru ya ke jenglong perkomlong jong inong west.
The Rilang Education Society collaboration with SNGAP SAIM College, Maukarwat, yesterday launched the coaching class for competitive examination at the college in the presence of Maukarwat MLA Renington L. Tongkhar as President, Dr. K.K. Nongset, Principal of the college, among others. The launching of this coaching class is part of the efforts to pave the way for the youth to apply for jobs and to compete for different competitive examinations including DSC, MPSC, UPSC and others. In a shocking incident on Tuesday morning in Ri Minyar village, Nongstoin, a 50-year-old school teacher, Bokstar Solang, a resident of Mauklam, Nongpindeng, was brutally murdered following a heated argument with Biswell Langrin. The victim succumbed to severe throat injuries inflicted upon him. After committing the crime, the accused attempted to flee the scene. However, with the swift action of local authorities, he was apprehended by the police. And now for the weather report. Minimum temperature 10.5 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 21 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 70% and in the evening 74%. Forecast dry weather is likely to occur in most places. Shallow to moderate fog is likely to occur at isolated places. And now for the headlines once again. 80.91% overall voter turnout in Gambar by-poll today. Former Mauhati MDC James Siliang joins UDP with supporters. "21 villages of Maushan Road area protest delimitation change march to KHADC. Cherry Blossom Festival to feature MMA cage fight. And Maukarwat MLA urge farmers to focus on high-priced products. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.